So in today's video, we're gonna be looking into the cost of production. So how much does it cost to raise one bird in South Africa? So the first cost that we're gonna be talking about is chicks. So how much does it cost to buy day-old chicks? So the day-old chicks come in a box that carry 100 inside, and that box costs around 1,050 rand. It differ with the suppliers, but where I buy my chicken, they cost around 1,050 rand. So that's the first cost. The second cost that we're going to be talking about is the feed. So the first feed that you buy, it's called starter. One bag of starter cost me around 435 rand. And this feed, you're going to be feeding your chicken for the first 2 weeks. One bag of 50 kg starter can feed 100 broiler chickens for 2 weeks. So if you're going to be doing 1,000 beds, it means that you're going to need to buy 10 bags of starter. Then if you want to raise 200, it means that you're going to buy 2. If you're going to be raising 500, it means that you're going to buy 5. So let's go to the second feed that you buy. The second feed that you buy, it's called grower. So I buy 6 of bags of grower to raise 100 broiler chicken, and one bag costs around 404 rand. And then the total cost for 6 bags is gonna be 2,424. The second thing that you need to buy, it's called wood shaving. So wood shaving, it's what you buy, or it's what you need to provide your beds with a comfort bedding. So a bedding is where your chicken will be sleeping, so your chicken will be around. So you need to buy wood shaving for your chicken bedding. A bag of wood shaving normally costs around 30 rand to 50 rand. But where I buy them for 30 rand. Some, they even get them cheap, around 10 rand. The next cost is that, before we go to the next one, the whole circle, I use 6 bags, and then they cost me 180 to buy 6 of them. The second cost is electricity. So I use lights called infrared light to provide heat for my chickens. So I spend an average of 200 rand on electricity to provide heat for my chickens. Another cost is that it's what's called stress pack. So I give my chickens stress pack for the first 14 days, which is the first 2 weeks. Then a packet of stress pack cost me around 40 rand. So now let's calculate the total cost of this circle for 100 broiler chicks. Remember, the first cost, it was 1,050 rand plus 435 rand plus 2,424 plus 180 plus 200 plus 40 rand. So all of this cost around 4,329. So now we're gonna take the 4,329 divided by 100. It's gonna give us 43 rand 29 cents. So an average chicken in South Africa, for a small scale farmer to produce it from day 1 until 6 weeks, it cost a farmer 43 rand 29 cents to produce one chicken. So in total of 400 chickens, it means that you're gonna need 4,329 to produce those chickens. If you wanna know how much it's gonna cost you to produce 1,000, you're just gonna simply take 4,329 times 10, and it's gonna give you the total cost for 1,000 chickens. It goes to 500 beds, it goes to 2,000 beds. You're gonna take the 4,329, you times it by the number of chickens that you're gonna be raising. In this case, It means that if it's 200, you're gonna say times 2. If it's 300, you're gonna say times 3, and it's gonna give you the average cost that you're gonna acquire or you're gonna spend when producing a certain number of chickens that you wanna produce as a small scale farmer in South Africa. Remember to subscribe, share, comment, and like. If you wanna support the channel, become a member. The link is on the description below. Thank you for watching my videos. Dango.